We are pleased to show you the 2017 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.